Lolo. Just my second attempt at recording this because the first attempt just did not work. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, let's just start with a trade of tick ticks. I took my first trades on my Tradeify accounts. So here, as we were breaking bat level, we were bouncing off of a daily support level. Again, I post these levels every day in my Discord chat, which is the first link down in the description box below, as you can see right here. This is the candle I'm talking about. As we broke below, I thought it was good to take a long. And then it literally the second I entered this trade, it just went woo, and I was like, bro, if I just got faked out. um, but then it came back up, and I was like, okay, I can't hold this. It's way too violent. These candles are way too big. And I closed out at like 4 points, 3 points, 3 points, 4 points. Um, could have hit full TP in like 10 seconds after the fact, but it's fine. Next candle was just moving way too fast. Came down for a bottom wick. I was thinking about taking a long, and then I realized that like my full TP would be so fast. Right, so uh, kind of just sat and waited. And the next one, I was like, okay, I have to. If this is gonna bottom wick immediately, gonna should take the long. Took a long. I think it just like sat around here for a little bit and it was like edging and then it came up and I was like, okay, I don't want to trade this. It's way too volatile. I didn't size down. Hindsight, I probably should have sized down. I could have got a TP on any one of these candles, a full TP of like 40 points, right? So I closed it and said, I got 10 points. I'm just gonna call it a day here because I don't want to ruin my Friday DLLing these accounts again. So yeah, that was that. Wow, crazy. So let me just log on my Tradeify where the trades are a little cleaner. So here's where the money was made, right? And I say money because we locked in another 1.5k payout on this funded advanced account. Literally had it down to like 600 in drawdown, and I just had a killer week scoring 15-point days, so about 300 bucks a day on this account, and I'm right back there. I'm just gonna flip the last 5 days. I'm gonna take the payout. For the rest of these accounts, as we know, I wasn't gonna trade number 13 today just because it's already at payout, so I'm gonna request that actually tomorrow morning. Woo! Um, but this trade, right? What was it based on? Again, NQ, my levels. We had a super strong sell-off at open, and we can even see here on Iketai, we closed these volume candles, we closed these volume candles, and then we broke a level here at 563, which ended up turning to be support later on. But as we closed down below, I was like, okay, let me get a top wick. If this had top wicked up here, it would have been perfect. It didn't. It just drove down, and I was like, are you? Next candle made a top wick. Wait, what? Oh yeah, next candle had a top wick, and I was just gonna take it to fill the. I could have sworn I had a level here. Oh, this is the wrong chart. I was like, where the fuck did my level go? Yeah, we had a level right here at overnight lows. So I figured if we tap that, it would be good to take a sell. Came up for fat, like a massive drawdown. About 20 points of drawdown, but I was like, Nvidia was still dumping. So I was like, okay, maybe I just sit this one and literally just wicked up here and then it started creeping down and I was like, okay, I'm good. Could have held this for my full TV, but I think just sitting so much in drawdown, I wanted to just secure the 10 points. Wanted to call it there, and then you can see on that daily support level at 472 right here, we just barely tapped it, and I thought if we were going to come all the way back up just like that and not overshoot this like we have been with levels, I'd be a little suspect. So opened up, top wick, got entered, came up, sat in drawdown for a little bit, and then as it like pulled down, boom, and then it came back up. Again, another trade that could have been a full TP, but I am never going to complain about my base hits, and that pretty much wrapped it up for my Tradeify. And especially on days like this where one single wrong candle and one non-set stop loss could just kill your account. Yeah, there's no way. Next candle, you can see we actually came down and boom, popped it, which is exactly what I wanted to see. And then we kind of just started the slow grind up. Trading wise, no trades on Top Step just because still waiting for the payout to get reduced. Otherwise, I probably would have taken this long up. The other accounts that I did trade was my take profit, and that was just recently. So I just it felt like I was done trading too quick. Okay, if I'm being honest, being done in the first 30 minutes always feels a little weird to me. So if it wants to pop up, so I'll just relog real quick so you guys don't have to sit through this. Okay, well, take profit's not loading. So I don't want to just sit here waiting for who knows when, but basically as we broke this level up here at overnight highs, took longs right here and got to like 1100 on my eval. One eval, I just need to flip for 5 more days, so yeah. Plus 1100 on that. I did nuke my funded futures networks. They were fresh exhibition accounts, so yeah, kind of sad. I don't really know what to say, but at the same time, I still had a ways to go to grind on those accounts to get to the part where I could take payouts, so I'm not even worried. And they were cheap. It's never a good way to look at it, but I'll probably give them a pause while I work on Take Profit Trader. Um, but yeah, just full transparency, blew the fuck out of those because I think I tried taking a short right around here, and this candle 82 all the way up to here 30 points. I was like, sheesh. Stopped me out, came back down, took another short right here, came on. I was like, oh yeah, I'm done. Those accounts were cooked at that point. So yeah, overall, I'm gonna call today a win. Secured another payout. The accounts that do matter to me got my base hit. So yep, we'll just be back. Probably will be trading on Monday. I won't be able to record any of it because I'll be trading at work. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had a good Friday. Hope you guys made it out alive. Happy trading, happy weekend, and I will see you all next week. Peace!